to get here today, like Mr. Spracklin wearing his funny suits and wigs, and to my class for making me smile every day, and my family for giving me the best year I could possibly have in lockdown, and to my twin, Alice, for annoying me every day, and of course to all the staff that have made Prince of Wales the best school on earth. I have had the most amazing time at this school, and not one day I have not smiled from reception to year 4. I have been so happy for so long.